Dobermans demonstrated coordinated hunting tactics that proved lethal for the snake. The dogs executed a strategic pincer movement, attacking from opposite sides to divide the snake's attention. The moment the snake attempted to strike one dog, it created a fatal opening for the second Doberman. Driven by instinctive fear of the snake's venomous potential, the dog initiated a violent shaking assault. The Doberman continued its savage attack with undiminished intensity, determined to utterly destroy its opponent. An unexpected confrontation between a Doberman and a coyote was captured at the edge of an open field. The white canine's initial reaction spoke volumes, freezing in place upon spotting the domestic dog. The coyote visibly lost confidence, its body language betraying growing anxiety during the brief standoff. The Doberman's mere presence proved increasingly intimidating, creating a clear psychological advantage. The Doberman's first aggressive move forward shattered the coyote's nerves, triggering an immediate flight response. A single Doberman faced down 5 coyotes, displaying a remarkable display of training and tactical mastery. Despite being heavily outnumbered, the domestic dog maintained impressive composure. Working in sync with its owner's guidance, the Doberman executed a defensive strategy that frustrated the coyote's hunting patterns. The retreat marked an unlikely victory for the single domestic dog. Kangal and Mastiff dominance, drawing from source 160, 16, 41, 56, 159. One-sided brutality unfolded as the domestic dog demonstrated complete dominance over a thoroughly outmatched wolf. The dog maintained ruthless control through a series of calculated attacks. The wolf's desperate defense focused solely on protecting its vulnerable neck from the dog's lethal intentions. The superior dog immediately forced the struggling predator back down, maintaining devastating pressure. A fully grown Kangal interrupted a wolf's attempted attack on a small dog, transforming the wolf's opportunity into immediate danger. The Kangal launched into protective mode, charging at the predator with clear intent. The Kangal's mere presence and aggressive charge sent the wolf into retreat. Remote terrain. The domestic dog displayed remarkable courage in confronting and pursuing the larger predator from its territory. The Mastiff's aggressive defense, driven by territorial instinct, proved more decisive than the wolf's presumed physical superiority. The wolf's retreat suggested a valuable lesson learned about venturing into defended territory. Kangal strategy and ferocity drawing from source 165, 209. The Kangal is relentless, fearless, and bred for its evoking nightmare for any challenger. In the dead of night, a blur of muscle and fury of Kangal summoned the wolf to the ground. The security camera caught the whole thing. One moment a predator, the next a humbled intruder began for escape. 5 wolves once challenged a single Kangal, and this is real, caught on camera. The Kangal stood its ground, hackles raised, and lunged with explosive force. The wolves learned that some fights are simply unwinnable. The pack struck the lone wolf without hesitation, and it only took one dog to end the confrontation. The wolf's body language was pure desperation, cornered by the Kangal's calculated pressure. The hierarchy of nature was rewritten in the presence of a Kangal, when apex predators fall. When facing 4 wolves, the Kangal dominated, charging into the group like a whirlwind. Snarls turned into whimpers as the wolves fled one by the forest belonged to the Kangal. The German shepherd initiated the confrontation, but the Kangal retaliated with a swift precision. In the world of dogs, strength doesn't bark, it bites. The cane corso walked into the wrong yard, but a single lateral from the Kangal was enough to make it retreat. Within just 20 seconds, the Kangal took control of the fight against the mighty Caucasian shepherd. The Kangal erupted like thunder, and 3 wolves, stunned by the sheer audacity, bolted immediately. Unlikely victors shocking attacks drawing from source 213, 219. It is the ultimate desert showdown, venom versus venom, pincers versus fangs. The scorpion launched first, its claws clamping down like a vice grip on the snake's jaw. The scorpion delivered the knockout sting right at the snake's body. The bronze snake swooped down with a precise KO strike right at the cobra's head. The honey badger, with fear not in its vocabulary, tanked every move from the mole snake. The badger locked in, immobilized the Didio. A Texas deer was caught redefining the food chain by eating a snake. The horse reared up like it was in a rodeo, and its hooves came down with the force of a wrecking ball. The snake's dangerous fangs were no match for the horse's sheer power. A donkey decided its snack was a snake, resulting in a tragic double KO. The donkey's jaws were strong enough to crush, giving the snake no chance. New safari detail and adrenaline drained from source 225. 295. The line between human and wild, there is no shield, just raw nature and pure adrenaline. In these heart-pounding moments, creatures emerge from the shadows, closing in with a power that stops ye cold. Every breath, every step becomes a pulse-racing test of courage. A fiercely protective mother leopard erupted from the bush in a sudden bluff charge. The big cat advanced, her piercing gaze locking onto the stunned onlookers, delivering the scare of a lifetime. A massive, overprotective male lion emerged from the grass, searching for his missing queen. The driver was forced to rev the engine in a desperate bid toward the lion off. The lion broke into a run, pounding after the car with raw, explosive power. A tiger broke into a brief sprint after the passing safari vehicle, sending a jolt of panic and laughter through the startled tourists. A wild lion clamped its jaws around the side view mirror in a show of raw strength. The predator's presence radiated dominance as it broke the glass. A massive hippo launched into a full charge, thundering toward the vehicle with terrifying speed. The driver floored the accelerator, nearly pulling away until the hippo abandoned the chase. An elephant demonstrated its dominance by toppling a tree and kicking up clouds of dirt. The thin barrier of the cage was all that stood between the tourist and nature's raw power. A protective rhino stood guard over its calf, its massive frame blocking any approach. A tiger burst from the dense bushes, its striped form slicing through the shadows. The men inside erupted in panicked screams, the air thick with adrenaline. The startled explorer sprinted away with the giraffe in swift pursuit, its long strides closing the gap in seconds. Two massive rhinos suddenly broke into a charge, thundering after a safari vehicle. The rhinos tried to match the vehicle's pace, their sheer speed a reminder of their formidable strength. A massive male lion moved just in. A calm, urgent voice instructed everyone to stay still and put their feet aside. The great ape strode past, every movement radiating raw power. The hippo slammed its bulk into the side of the safari vehicle with bony jarring force. The hippo wheeled around and charged again from behind, its sheer power shaking the air. The hippo remained planted, watching the retreating vehicle with an unblinking territorial glare. The wild leaves a mark you'll never forget, a powerful reminder of nature's raw beauty and unpredictable spirit. These encounters teach us respect, caution, and awe. In the heart of the wilderness, where always just visitors, the jeep's brakes failed on a steep, rocky descent toward a non-crocodile crossing. A dust storm suddenly swept across the plains, blinding the driver and canceling a charging herd of buffalo. The guide whispered into the radio, "We're completely cut off, and they know it." The eerie silence after the attack was more terrifying than terror itself. The camera operator's breathing became the only sound, a sharp, ragged reminder of the near-fatal encounter. The venomous tree snake was mistaken for a vine until it was inches from the tourist's face. The massive elephant used its tusk to lift and nudge the car, testing the weight of the metal cage. A pack of wild dogs cornered the vehicle, their coordinated movements cutting off full escape routes. The alpha dog of the pack issued a silent command, and the whole group froze, watching with intense, patient hunger. The scent of ozone filled the air just before the lightning struck the nearby acacia tree. They were caught between the fastly rising river and a pride of lions resting on the only safe high ground. The feeling of being watched and seen and intensely settled over the tourists as the sun dropped below the horizon. This is the moment the wilderness stops observing and decides to become actively involved. The Doberman's eyes reflected an ancient instinct, the complete and utter destruction of the venomous. The snake's movements were erratic, its confusion a fatal weakness exploited by the coordinated canine attack. The Doberman initiated a violent, twisting assault designed to prevent any chance of venomous retaliation. After the reptile had clearly succumbed, the Doberman's aggression continued, driven by deeply seated protective fury. The coyote, usually the hunter, became the hunted, completely unnerved by the Doberman's unwavering dominance. The wild canine's confidence evaporated, replaced by the primal urge to retreat and survive. The Doberman's strategic advance was a calculated move that broke the coyote's spirit before the first bite. The 5 coyotes, relying on numbers, failed to anticipate the tactical superiority of the single-trained Doberman. The Doberman executed a defensive perimeter, frustrating the coyotes' flanking maneuvers with disciplined precision. The Alibi Mastiff stood like a statue, its single logral communicating an unmistakable, non-negotiable threat. The wolves, seizing the risk, realized the hunger was not worth the price of confronting the specialized guardian. The leashed Kangil, despite its physical restriction, projected an aura of power that kept 2 larger wolves at bay. The wolves probed cautiously, but the Kangil's steady gaze never wavered, forcing the predators to abandon their mission. The Mastiff chased the wolf not out of sport, but out of a fierce, territorial conviction that transcended fear. The wolf learned a harsh lesson. Some domestic territories are defended with wilder ferocity than its own domain. The Kangil's bite was calculated, designed for immobilization, not mere injury, a true master of the field. The scorpion, triumphant, raised its pincers over the subdued snake, a silent victor in the desert's ruthless arena. The eagle's talons were locked, preventing the cobra from gaining the crucial leverage needed for its fatal strike. The honey badger, the impervious tapping, treated the snake's bite like a minor distraction during its unstoppable assault. The deer finished its strange carnivorous meal, its behavior a shocking reminder of the complex needs of wildlife. The horse's powerful hooves turned the snake into paste, a decisive end to a foolish attack. The tragic double KO highlighted the unforgiving consequences of two lethal forces colliding head-on. The cat SC. The overwhelming smell of the uncertain animal mass flooded the cab, a sensory overload that heightened the fear. The guide suddenly pointed, not at a large predator, but at the unsettling, geometric pattern of a camouflaged paw added beside the tire. The smallest mistake he caused, a drop tighten could have tipped the fragile balance of the standoff. The silence was so profound that they could hear the click of the lioness close on the nearby rock. The tourist, filming the encounter, realized their battery was dead, leaving the memory trapped only in their terrified mind. The chimpanzee troop descended into organized chaos, tearing up the camp in a frenzy of noise and aggressive display. They were caught in the middle of a massive wildebeest migration, the sheer number of animals creating a suffocating, churning wave of life. The driver attempted a risky maneuver, cutting the engine to rely on the vehicle's momentum to coast past the male lion. The vehicle's window had a crack in it, a constant, visible reminder of the thin separation between safety and savagery. The air pressure dropped as the massive hippo opened its jaws wide, a cavern of immense, powerful destruction. The guide